You installed Ubuntu, but now what? Here are 10 cool commands that will make you feel like a real hacker. Let's go. Sudo apt update. First, update your system. This keeps Ubuntu secure and up to date. Then sudo apt upgrade y. Type clear. I believe you know this little command. Check your Ubuntu version. It's quick and useful. Type this. And here your Ubuntu version. Install neofetch. This shows system info with hacker vibes. Now type neofetch. Here is your operating system version. Mine shows Ubuntu 2.4.0 4.2 LTS. View hidden files with this command. Pro users love it. Type this. Make Ubuntu talk. Cowsay is fun and surprising. Type this. Type cowsay, open quotations, and inside quotations type something cool. And here is your message. Create a folder and move inside it. Basic but powerful. Type. This will create a folder called hackinglab. Now type ls. ls stand for list directories. It'll list all directories. Now type cd hackinglab. Hackinglab is the folder name that we created it. Now to get out of the folder, type. The next command is get. Get lets us to download any file from the internet using just the terminal. Check your disk space in a clean, readable format. Search for any file or folder instantly with the find command. And the last command is the exit command. Type it and you will see it.